I want to talk about how important it is for you, not only like personally, but in your business, to be accessible to the community, because I see you, doing different vendors, building your rapport with different people. How important is it in the insurance industry to do that?
Well, it's huge, and you can't just wait for people to come to you.
Yeah.
Sometimes people don't know who to go to. So we're out there, like you say, I do the vending. I put cards on cars.
Absolutely.
Can I give you a card? Kind of all of that. Because I understand that, sometimes people are scared and they don't know what to think, what to do. And I want them to know that we're here for you. And so you have to be out there and just kind of, like I said, pound that pavement and think outside the box. Sometimes you got to try to think about things differently and how to reach different people. And you never know where it's going to lead you.
Most people who are entrepreneurs may believe that they don't need any type of insurance. I'm starting off with my either product or service. So I want to start with general liability and why maybe it's important for someone who are even just getting into starting their business, why at least starting with the definition or what coverage provides general liability.
What kind of exposure do you have? What kind of risk is involved? If you're out, with your product or whatever you're doing and you're reaching out to people, is it something that, if something happens, they could be trying to sue you?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there risk involved with what you're doing? And sometimes people may not want to sue you, but they may have no choice. Okay.
Yeah.
And so the question is, if you are in that situation, do you want to be using your money to protect yourself, your paycheck, your assets, or do you want to use an insurance company's money to do that? I think that's a huge question to ask. And insurance is not like, a lot of times it's like your auto and home. You don't want to have it, but you have to have it.
Right.
It doesn't have to cost a fortune.
Okay.
It's a business expense also. And depending on what you do, it may not even be that expensive. And it's something that you can pay on.
Would you recommend people who work from home getting insurances, or how extensive is the insurance for people who have employees working from home? Like, what's the difference? Type of insurance that you need to provide?
Well, there's definitely a difference if you have employees as opposed to just being a home-based business with you only.
Okay.
Big difference there. Because, if you have employees, that means you have to have workers' comp and New York State coverage.
Right.
Required.
Yeah.
So it really kind of depends on what your situation is. What do you have in there, what exactly you're doing, and how much are you making from this?
Yeah.
If you're only making a few dollars, then, you don't need it. But if you're, raking it in.
Yeah.